About this item: compact design. The compact design portable Moread HDMI to VGA adapter connects a computer, desktop, laptop, or other devices with HDMI port to a monitor, projector, HDTV, or other devices with VGA port. Tuck this lightweight gadget into your bag or pocket to do a business presentation with your laptop and projector, or extend your desktop screen to a monitor or TV. A VGA cable is required, sold separately. Superior stability. Built-in advanced IC chip converts HDMI digital signal to VGA analog signal. It is not a bidirectional converter and cannot transmit signals from VGA to HDMI. Incredible performance. The HDMI male to VGA female converter supports resolutions up to 1920 x 1080 at 60 Hz, 1080p Full HD, including 720p, 1600 x 1200, 1280 x 1024 for high-definition monitors or projectors. Gold-plated HDMI connector resists corrosion and abrasion and improves the signal transmission performance. Molded strain relief increases cable durability. Broad compatibility. The HDMI VGA adapter is compatible with computer, PC, desktop, laptop, Ultrabook, notebook, Chromebook, Raspberry Pi, Intel